SENFER has released a new hybrid earphone. This is their MT500. It's a follow-up to their MT300, and I suppose this will be their 2021 flagship. So I wasn't a fan of the MT300. I dislike that earphone. Poorly made, poorly designed, and poorly tuned. Has incredible distortions that killed that set. It really killed that set for me, but it did sell well. Like, a lot of people bought that set, but from what I can tell, people didn't really care much about the set, as no one even reviewed or cared so much about that particular earphone. Now, this MT 500 is just a hybrid of a balanced armature and a dynamic driver that's in here. So you get something that is good in terms of build quality, but just know it's a Chi-Fi brand. Don't go in expecting the best of the best build quality, the best of the best sound quality. These things that are being sold are pretty much just to get your money so they can produce something else, so they do the same again next year to you or in a few months from now. So look, the MT300 was not impressive. In fact, it's currently out of stock. You can't even buy it. But the MT500 is a new beast that would hope that it can compete, because look, a hybrid for this price, the price is over $200, about $220. $220 is very, very much. You know, when you're going to pay this amount, you have to expect that the build has to be good. The build has to be good. The cable has to be good, and it should have almost no distortion and still produce decent amount of bass without bleed and all that. So these are things one should consider before going for this particular earphone, because it's not cheap, to be honest. It's not cheap, and if you're going to pay this sort of amount knowing that the brand hasn't really had a hit right off their birth and all that, so it becomes a bit of a problem spending $210 for this earphone. But I know that there are SENFER fans, people that did like the MT300 for what it could do. They may be interested in this, and if that is the case, then kudos, really kudos. Anybody that wants to buy this, kudos to the person. Because the 300, the MT300, I wasn't really a big fan, but I know people will buy this to test, to see whether it's good. I get it. I really do get it. People will buy and test. So it's really important you test. I think that's good. So I will leave links in the description so you check out the store where you can pick it up if you're interested, or any other product. Just subscribe to our channel. I will see everyone next time.